Hey, what up, decisive marketers? I can't tell you how mind blown I am over this tool right now, and it's simply amazing. It is created by some of the most expert YouTube advertisers around, and you can tell that this tool, what is the features that are actually created, it is just done by expert YouTube advertisers, right? And and this tool is simply amazing. It is a hidden gem right now. I would say it's probably the most polished hidden gem out there right now. I have not come across any tool like this, because I am just so impressed because uh I have not spoken that highly over a tool. This is probably the one right here. uh this to and this too is a hidden gem because a lot of people don't know about it because it deals with YouTube ads, okay, specifically YouTube ads, and a lot of people, um, because a lot of people are not utilizing YouTube ads right now, but YouTube ads is actually it's an underrated marketing channel. Everyone uses Facebook ads, right? But when you just swipe and it's gone, right? You don't reach anyone at all. But uh with YouTube ads, okay, your people who watch your ad, they have to spend at least 5 seconds before they can skip it. And with YouTube ads, actually there are quite a few different advertising methods. With YouTube, you have the overlay ads where it appears at the bottom of the video player, right? I mean, just above the bottom of the video player. You can close that. You have the sidebar placement ads where it appears with other video recommendations. You have the bumper ads, which are actually skippable ads, right? So you play them at the start, and you gotta play at least 5 seconds before you can skip them. And this one is actually really powerful because this ad is uh is is you know Google does not charge you unless people watch at least 30 seconds of this ad. This is where you can actually do a lot of brand awareness without costing a single cent at all, right? So either they click on something or they watch 30 seconds before you are charged anything. And then uh you also have the unskippable ads as well. So and some of these ads, they cost like 10 to 30 cents per view, which is still very affordable right now. Okay, and uh, I think this is where this tool comes in really handy because it helps you to find videos that you can advertise on, and help you to show your videos to the right target audience. And I would say that this tool is really created by expert YouTube advertisers, which is why one of the reasons why I'm so impressed because of the features that they have. You can tell that they are expert advertisers creating this tool, and on top of that, they even teach you how to use the tool and how to advertise on YouTube as an expert, right? So and this tool is called BitePlay. Uh, I highly before I even go to the end, right? I'll just say that you gotta, definitely, if you are gonna be advertising in any way on YouTube, or even working with influencers that are on YouTube, BitePlay is a must-have tool in your arsenal, right? So definitely, go and check it out. BitePlay, the link is in the video description. But before I dive into this tool, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content. So here we are in BitePlay. Really powerful tool here. So you have you have like find influencers, track competitors. They are releasing even more features here. You can see that there are some that are coming soon. Video placement search, channel placement search, scrape videos, find similar videos, find similar channels which will come soon as well. Video alerts, um, and conversion tracking, which is amazing here. This is where I think one of the powerful feature that BitePlay has. It's not just like a spy tool, right? It is more than just a spy tool. It does um it does conversion tracking for you as well. There's keyword planning, tag creator. So if you are even a YouTuber yourself, you are a YouTube content creator, you can make use of BitePlay as well because it helps you to save time using the tag creator. You got your video rank checker as well, and then similar videos. Video by keywords, track video performance, track channel performance. So a lot of features in here right now. Alright, so just give me a second. I'm not sure why am I getting some of these notifications that's coming in. Just close them. Okay, so so we're gonna check out a few things here. The first one is let's take a look at this channel performance, right? So I'm going to put in my channel and see what it does. Okay, so invalid YouTube video. Let's try copying this in. Okay, so over here I can then check my video and look at the stats that's coming in over here, right? So I can track videos, I can track channels as well. Let me just take a look here. Okay, I think this one should be my channel, so let me just put this in instead. Okay, so there we go, right? We got the YouTube channel tracker in here. Okay, so how many views I've got, how many videos I've got, how many subscribers I've got, and we can see how my subscriber count is moving upwards, right? How many views it's moving, and some of the recent videos I've got. So this one gives you an idea, and let's see what this is. Okay, so you can actually put, so what happens is that if you track the channel, and they would actually look into your about page, right? And then if there's an email, they will actually send you an email. I mean, you can actually grab the email in here. Okay, so so it helps a lot. So I was just testing out this one here. So we're going to go through this one first, which is find influencer, right? So you can actually firstly search for a location. So if you are running a business in a specific location, then you can make use of BitePlay here. So let's say where is Singapore, and I'm gonna ask for 10 results, and let's say let's type in e-commerce and see if there's anything here. I should have put like makeup or something like that because e-commerce is a little bit niche, right? So we can go for something that's a little bit more broad. So these are some of the channels, and because I don't think that there are many Singapore e-commerce channels, let's try like makeup, and probably we would have better results here. Okay. Okay, so probably not all are Singapore as well, right? But let's say, okay, They are giving me non-Singapore results because I don't think that there are many results relating to makeup. I do see like a Singaporean name in there. I should have clicked on that. Okay, so we're gonna try with Annie first. Okay, because Singapore is really small, so there isn't many um YouTube channels that are into it. So we've got this one here, Pony Syndrome, right? Let's check this out. So we can actually check out their full video. So we can actually click on let's see, what's this? I think this one opens up their channel. Okay, so it's some kind of a Korean makeup channel. Okay, Korean makeup channel, and then we can click on search videos. Okay, so we can actually take a look into their video, right, and see. So this is the video search tool right now. This is the video search tool right now. Okay, so the video search tool, these are her videos, and then you can take a look at the statistics that she has, and you can take a look. Let's say you want to look for videos with minimum 1,000 views, you can set that. License. So is there any copyright on the video? And then the search priorities. Okay, search and then save search. Video duration, right? Whether it's you want short, medium, or long videos. Video definition and results display. Okay, so this is for you. Okay, so for the video search is for you to look for videos that you can advertise on, right? Look for videos that you can advertise on. So you can watch the video, you can check out the video description. So here are the video description. This is the video text, and these, and then you can then be searching for what do you call it, similar related videos. So you can actually just put in that video, which when I click on this, it opens up the video search feature, but it's on the similar to video. And let's put 10 here, and it's gonna find similar videos that I can advertise on as well. Okay, right? So before we go in more deeply, right, the first thing is the find influencer. So you can use you can advertise on the influencers videos, right? So you can use BitePlay for that feature. So what BitePlay is meant for is for you to look for videos to advertise on. But if you are into influencer marketing as well, you can then reach out to these influencers, contact them. Okay, so they have a invite to campaign soon, which campaign that is coming soon, right? So this one, I would think that likely they're gonna add in features that allows you to instantly send an email to these influencers, contact them, so that you can reach out to them and have them create a video to advertise for you, right? So that's something that you can actually make use of, okay, with the BitePlay find influencer feature. Okay, so this is something for you to take note of. The next thing is, so the keyword feature is really straightforward. Just put in the keyword and you can find videos that are related, that you want to advertise on. Okay, then you've got by channel, so you can search video based on channel and filter them. Okay, you can actually do this in YouTube itself, but they have you can make use of the filter so that you can save your time. So that's the difference here. Okay, and then you've got trending videos, so you can look for trending videos in a particular, let's say, particular region, right? So let's look for, let's say, Australia, right? And then you can look for trending videos in Australia, and you can advertise in them as well, right? So something to take note of. Okay, so there are a lot of features with BitePlay already. Just with the video search feature and the find influencer feature, you're already going to be finding a lot of videos that allows you to advertise on them for. All right, so you've got saved lists. Okay, so this saved list is for you to create a folder for you so they can add those videos in, right? So for example, if you're going to be advertising, you have a campaign and you're advertising on this group of videos, you can add them all in to this folder here. And then keywords. So this is based on a keyword, and you can look for videos that are on them. Okay, so let's say we'll put in makeup. I'm gonna search for it. Okay, so these are then the keywords that in YouTube itself. Okay, so you can look for more keyword ideas so that you can look for more videos to advertise on. Okay, and you can also search for Google keyword ideas as well, right? And you can also look for questions, right? So questions would be what people would be searching for on YouTube or Google. So because people don't people because YouTube itself, it's also a search engine, right? People search for answers on YouTube as well, right? So you can actually look for question-based keywords so that you can create your videos. You can actually make use of the keywords to create videos that are based on these keywords itself. Okay, and then you got tag generator. So basically this keyword feature itself, it's also useful for YouTube content creators as well, right? So it's good for you to get ideas on what kind of content to create. Then you got tag generator. So this is you can put in a keyword and look for certain tags for your keyword, right? So let's say we were to search for e-commerce, SEO, something along those lines, and then you can be looking for certain tags in here, right? So you can then add all these into your videos to help you to be easily search for using tags. And then you've got video rank tracker. So let's say we were to grab one of these videos. Let's see. Let me just grab one of my own videos here. So let's say we were to choose this one, okay, and place it in here. And we can look for the keywords. So this one is not a very good idea because my keywords are niche, right? So let's say we were to grab this one here, and I would jump in here and search for the video. Okay, so then I will be able to see what kind of keywords they are actually indexed for and what rank are they. Okay, so this keyword ranker system is kind of like Ahrefs for Google, right? In the sense that BitePlay is trying to scrape YouTube and look into keywords and see what ranking they are, what kind of keywords they are ranked indexed for, and showing you the rankings. Of course, it's not perfect right now because there are a lot of videos on YouTube, but this is essentially what BitePlay is doing. It's kind of like Ahrefs for YouTube as well, right? So it's so this is very amazing, what I would say. And then you can also put in a video and easily grab the you know, the video description and the text in here. Okay, and I can watch the video, and let's see what this is. Also, this is actually just the search result. Okay, and then you got the power tracker, so you can actually look into certain topics and actually track those topics itself. So this one, there isn't much here, right? So let's try with makeup, something that is a little bit more general, so that you have a little bit more. Okay. Okay, so this is like a topic, right? And then you can add like keywords in there. Okay, and then you can add. Okay, and then we'll just continue, and it will create a topic tracker. And what happens with this topic tracker is, in this particular topic, whenever there are new videos being uploaded, you will be notified. Okay, and then if it's moving fast, you will then be able to then add this into your YouTube ad campaigns and start advertising on that video itself as well. And then we've got the conversion tracking. So this is really interesting for me, is that you can track your conversions, okay, from YouTube and into your sales funnel, right? So if you have a sales funnel, okay, you have a sales funnel. So let's say you have a sales funnel, and you are, you know, running BitePlay, right? As in you're running YouTube ads. Okay, you can actually track from YouTube ads to your conversion, right? How many people actually converted, and you get the statistics in BitePlay itself, right? All you need to do is to copy this code while you are copy this piece of code and paste this into your Google YouTube ads campaign itself, right? Under the tracking template. Okay, so once you insert this, your video will then have this tracking, and then once you have done that, you will then copy this piece of code, right, in your header scripts of your landing pages. So when people were to put in their email, whatever it is, and then you will put this piece of code in the landing page, and then this is the thank you page, right? That means the conversion page itself. That means the thank you page itself, and then you will then be able to track from your Google Ads campaign how many people actually land on the landing page and converted as well, and then you'll be able to get the entire statistics of how your YouTube ads are working for you, right? So this is what BitePlay does for you, right? And then you've got this is your tracker. It just kind of gives you like a overview of the video itself or the channel itself, so you can track the channel, you can track the video itself as well. So with my channel right here, I'm able to see, okay, how many subscribers I've got, how many views I've got, how many videos I've got, and average video views, frequency. What is this? Okay, the upload frequency per week, I believe. Yep. So the upload frequency per week. Okay, and engaged fans per video, and my statistics for the views, subscribers. We have kind of went through this already. So this is BitePlay, right? And they've got tons of YouTube features in there, and on top of that, right, they have a video maker, which is actually made from what do you call that, Wave videos. Actually, they partner with Wave Video, so that you can create your videos within Wave Video, and instantly put them into BitePlay right here. So Okay, there we go. Right, it wasn't loading properly before. So then you'll be able to create using wave video, right, within BitePlay itself. You can use basically wave video. Let me just switch it back to light mode, right? So if you use BitePlay, and you can actually use wave video to create videos for your BitePlay, ads itself, right? Your YouTube video ads. But if you want to make use for your other usage, you can they do have a 10% off right here if you want to click on it. Okay, and I think where BitePlay really blew my mind was the academy that they have here, right? And it is so you know valuable, value rich. I just went through a couple of lessons that they have, and I'm so mind blown over how much they actually know about YouTube ads. This is why I would say BitePlay is really created by some of um, the most expert YouTube advertisers, right? So they are not YouTubers, right? Not YouTube content creators, but they are YouTube advertisers. So this is where the difference is. They're really good at creating videos that are optimized for ads and selecting the right videos to advertise your ad video on. Okay, and right, and they'll teach you what are the different YouTube ads there is, what kind of video that they have. And one really powerful one right here is they actually they have a playlist of all some of the best YouTube ads around. So these are, and I'm really amazed by the collection right here. And just going through a couple of them, right, will tell you how to create a powerful YouTube ad script. And just going through some of these videos here, and I can tell you that it is all about the script itself. So you got a powerful script, you are going to get really great converting ads right here. So for example, this one right here, this ad itself has 62 million views, right? So to be able to run an ad that is doing 62 million views, they must have a highly converting ad. And because it's highly converting, is making money for them, and they just have to keep scaling and scaling and scaling the ads. And that is how they end up with 62 million views on this video itself. Okay, really powerful video. Just look at the script that is created right here. Trouble hearing, don't skip this video, right? So if you are suffering from this, so the script is written in a way that is very highly specific and targeted, because within the first 30 seconds, right, you want to make sure that people who you don't want to be watching this video, that means these people are not your target audience, you want them to skip. So you are speaking, so that you can save your money on trying to pay for these views, right? And those who stay on, those are the ones that you want to convert them into a customer, right? And there is BitePlay actually teaches you exactly the process of writing a killer YouTube ad script. I have gone through this, and I can say that I'm very impressed by it. And they'll teach you then after that how to start targeting and remarketing, and how to scale your YouTube ads as well. Okay, and they also have some video tutorials, so it's a little bit different, right? What is Academy, what is video tutorials? So Academy is ads for, sorry, it's videos that teaches you how to run YouTube ads and making use of BitePlay to do so. But video tutorials are actually, tutorials to show you how to make use of certain features in BitePlay itself. Okay, so pretty much this is everything in BitePlay, and I just have to say that of all the tools that I've reviewed so far, right? I have, I think, like a hundred videos maybe in my channel, probably less that are published. Some I put them as private or unlisted videos. Um, I have reviewed a lot of tools so far, and I have to say that BitePlay is possibly the my most highly rated tool out there, right? If you have seen my previous video on optics, which I am also really impressed about, maybe it could possibly because I'm a marketer, right? And these tools are actually created by expert marketers. So like optics is actually created by an expert cold email marketer, and every single thing is, it's is well thought of. He put it's not just a tool, but it is a tool created by an expert, and the expert has already, put out everything that you would need to start running your campaigns. And that's kind of what BitePlay is about as well. It's created by a team of expert YouTube advertisers. Every single feature that you need, they have already thought of. Thought of it. Or they are in the process of building it. I am really impressed by it, I have to say. I say that this is definitely a must have tool in your arsenal if you are advertising in any way. Even if you do not know how to advertise at all, but you want to start advertising, I highly recommend that you make use of BitePlay, because rather than swimming in the Red Sea where people are killing each other over Facebook ads or SEO, you are building your own blue ocean strategy with BitePlay. No one is messing with you. No one is out there to compete with you. You advertise to your own audience, and you don't have to pay that much in ads at all, right? With Facebook ads, we are talking about $20-$30 per 1,000 impression, right? We call it CPM. With YouTube, right, you pay by per view, right? Per view or per action, right? That means like if they were to click on your ads, depending on what kind of ads you run, and with YouTube ads, it's also very versatile, right? You can be a advertiser, or you can be a YouTube content creator that wants to amplify your reach, and YouTube ads are great for that. And BitePlay helps you to make the right targeting to help you to achieve even more success with your YouTube ads. Pretty much that's all I have to say about BitePlay. It's just a incredible, amazing tool. It's possibly till date my highest rated tool that I have reviewed. And that's all I have. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, all right, let me know what you think about BitePlay by commenting below. And lastly, if you know any marketers right? Any marketers who could benefit from YouTube ads, be sure to share this BitePlay video with all of them, and I'll see you in my next video.